Find the area of the largest rectangle with one corner at the origin and the opposite corner in the first quadrant, and on the line y equals 10 minus 2x. So let us draw all the given information. So let us draw here the xy coordinate, and let's say this is the line 10 minus 2x. Okay, this is y equals 10 minus 2x, and it says that one corner of the rectangle at the origin and the opposite corner in the first quadrant, which is here, and on the line, so somewhere here, let's say. So this is our rectangle. So we want to maximize this rectangle. Let us give a name to this side, this x. Note that this point is on the line, which means that if this is equal to x, since the length, since the length of this rectangle is x, it means that this coordinate is x. Okay, so if the x coordinate is x, then since this point is on the line, this y coordinate should be 10 minus 2x. So here we have 10 minus 2x. From this we know that the area will be the product of these two numbers, x multiplied by 10 minus 2x. Expand this, and then as usual take the derivative of a 10 minus 4x and set it equal to 0. So we have 10 equals 4x, which implies that x equals 10 divided by 4, which is 5 over 2. Okay. Now this problem can be considered as a problem finding the maximum value of a where x can be, so the smallest x that we can have is 0, and the largest x that we can have is when x is the intersection point between this red line and the blue line. So what is this number? So this number is 5. So basically you have 3 points that you need to check. So x is between 0 and 5, and the critical number equals 5 over 2. Okay. Now if you plug in x equals 0 to your a, you get 0, and also the same thing when you plug in x equals 5 to a, you also get 0. So we know that this critical number will maximize your area. So what you need to do, just plug in 5 over 2 to your a. You can plug in to this a or to that a, it doesn't matter there because they are equal. So 5 over 2 multiplied by 10 minus 2 times 5 over 2 is 5. So 5 over 2 multiplied by 5 is 25 over 2. So the answer is E.